Hi guys, so I'm gonna make this as a lounge romper, and I know it's probably hard to see a lot what's going on with my bed, but if you guys can see, this is the pattern for the shirt. But if you notice, when I make this crisscross shape, guys, I cut it like this, and I also leave the this piece as a tie. These is going to be the shorts. So if you guys do the shorts, and then this is the back of the top, you guys see, and then those is the two sleeves. So these is the lounge rompers that I make. So you know, when you live alone, or if the kids is gone and you want to have a sexy little lounge romper, guys, just use the pattern, some shorts, a top, and then the sleeves is just cut into squares. So I'm going to put it together, guys. But yes, this is a lounge romper. So when you're in a house, you want to be sexy and without wearing... What? Be quiet. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here's that romper all finished. So pair of shorts, guys, shirt, make it, and then the sleeves made of a square. So yes, these is those lounge rompers that I like to wear around the house so you could be sexy. So you guys have a awesome night, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.